Today I'm going to IKEA in Southampton with my friends. I just decided that I'm gonna vlog it because why not? Right.
A young lady said to me, take me by the hand. Straw hats and cherry tree. She told me that's the plan. And even if you're needing some time on your own, keep on walking on your own road. And it's the skylight that wakes up your eyes.
Where shall we go?
21.
I want to go to lighting.
Oh yeah, so that's the shortcut. So we're in living room thing, and we could skip dining and kitchen to the workspaces. But we don't want to do that.
We don't want to do that. We want to go.
We want to have the full experience.
We love some dining and kitchen, you know?
The full experience. Okay, cool.
Go closer. You have to take a picture.
Please be advised that due to government guidelines, face coverings are required to be worn by all customers whilst
Watch the sun
not
go
a
down. And I don't talk too much, cause you're taking out space in my mind. But it's fine, cause I'll make it all okay. I hope you recognize, could you open up your eyes? It's the skylight that wakes up your
It's a video.
wakes up your eyes. The rays satisfy your dreaming. And if your world's shaking, then please don't be shy. You're one call from home tonight. And this
Guys, I'm lactose intolerant, but I'm gonna try this dame cake because it just has to be done, really. I'm not trying the meatballs because we're going to eat somewhere, but I think it's okay if I eat the dame cake.
you're one call from home.
Okay. That's good. It's like caramelly. It's nice. It's nice. I rate it.
I have a bowl, 3 candle, a cup, a coffee froth, and an extension cable, fairy lights,
Yeah.
and my 2 couple teddy, and the cloth roller.
Oh, that's pretty. That's not even that much.
Yeah, so I can get the lamp.
Guys, this is what I came to IKEA.
Hats and cherry tree. She told me that's the plan. And even if you're needing some time.
It's a video. Wow, really?
It's the skylight that wakes up your eyes. The rays satisfy your dreaming. And if your world's shaking, then please don't be shy. You're one call from home tonight. Since new, you're always taking your time to find you. Seems there's nothing to do except from soaking the mood. I watch the sun go down and pull through the roof. And I don't talk too much, cause you're taking out space in my mind. But it's fine, cause I'll make it all okay. I hope you recognize, you open up your eyes. It's the skylight that wakes up your eyes. The rays satisfy your dreaming. And if your world's shaking, then please don't be shy. You're one call from home tonight.
Thank you so much.
I am now.
Okay, wait, let's
Cheers,
do it.
cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
It's another day. I have different clothes on, but I'm gonna show you what I got. So I got this cute pillow for, I don't know, I'm still deciding if it really suits my room, but I have like a black mirror that I think will go well with. I got this for cutlery. I think it'll look very cute. It's very like pottery barn. Actually, I don't know what pottery barn is, but it's cute. And then I got this vase for some flowers, to put flowers in our kitchen. I got this 2-pack of extension cords, always essential. I got this chopping board. It's massive because I like to get like a whole chicken and then cut it up and then eat it. That's what you do. And then I'm really excited about this. It's like a storage solution. You gotta make the most of your spaces. And it basically like stands up like this, and then you like use it in your cupboard, and it creates more space because you have different levels. So I think that will be really useful in the kitchen. I also got some tea and coffee because, I don't know, I wanted to try it, and my friend Helen said that Ugandan coffee is good and it's organic, which we love to see. So yeah, got some coffee and some tea, lemon and pine. I didn't even see the pine before, but it's green tea, lemon and pine. Oh yeah, it's story time. Because basically, the other day, our neighbours complained because we played Irish Snap and it was like 1:30 and we were very loud, and they sent us a whole letter. So we got them apology cookies. Make sure you're nice to your neighbours, guys. I got this can opener, and it's got a bottle opener on. Always useful. I got some lint rollers because we don't want to be looking dusty. Is it dusty? Linty. We don't want to be looking linty. I got tea strainer for loose leaf tea. That's what I usually use it for. I don't know if that's what everyone uses it for. Oh, that's what I use it for. And I got this candle. It smells so good. It's like vanilla ice cream flavor. And I got this bath mat for the shower. Yeah, it's pretty cute. Yeah, I didn't actually get that much to do that because, you know, we gotta retain some self-control and not spend too much money. But it was such a fun trip. But yeah. Oh, the plant. Hold on a second. My flatmate also got this plant. We need to name it actually. Feel free free to suggest a name for our plant. But yeah, we want to add like some nice decor to our house. So we got a plant. There weren't that many plants in IKEA, like I was a bit disappointed, but I'm glad that we found this because it's cute. Yeah, so thank you for coming on my IKEA trip with me. Stay blessed. Visit IKEA if you haven't already. Try the Dame cake because it was pain. But only if you can handle it, because it did make my stomach feel a bit funny. But it was worth it. But yeah. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.